Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Smart Trunk in the 2021 Kia Forte. I have in front of me here an EX Premium IVT in Radiant Red. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make sure that the Smart Trunk feature is turned on. So we're going to use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through the instrument panel and make sure it's on. So we're going to head sideways through the menus to the user settings. We're going to go down to door, and then we're going to head down to Smart Trunk and make sure that it's checkmarked on. So I'm going to press OK, and now ours is turned on. Let's see it in action. Okay, so now that we've been away from the vehicle for a moment or two, I have the key fob on me. Let's say my hands are full and I've just come out of a grocery store or something. I come up to the back of the vehicle, and once I'm within proximity, the vehicle is going to start to beep, and then when it hits the fourth beep, the trunk is just going to go ahead and pop open for me. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.